Hello everyone. Welcome. Are you tired of your favorite apps crashing on your Apple TV 4K? You're sitting down to watch a movie, and suddenly, you're back on the home screen. It's incredibly frustrating, but you are not alone. Today, we are going to explore the common reasons why this happens and, more importantly, what you can do to fix it. First, let's talk about software. Your Apple TV runs on an operating system called tvOS. Apple regularly releases updates for tvOS that contain important bug fixes and stability improvements. If your system is outdated, it can cause conflicts with newer apps, leading to crashes. The first thing you should always do is go into your settings and check for a system update. Similarly, the apps themselves need to be kept up to date. App developers are constantly fixing their own bugs and optimizing performance. If you have automatic updates turned off, an old version of an app might be the culprit. Head to the App Store on your Apple TV and see if the crashing app has a pending update. Another very common reason for crashes is corrupted temporary data. As you use apps, they store temporary files in a cache to help them load faster. Over time, this data can become corrupted and cause the app to fail. A simple restart of your Apple TV from the settings menu can often clear this out and solve the problem. If a restart doesn't work, the next step is to delete the problematic app completely and then reinstall it from the App Store. This ensures you have a fresh, clean version without any old, bad data. We also need to consider storage space. Your Apple TV 4K has a limited amount of internal storage. If it's almost full, apps don't have enough room to create the temporary files they need to run properly. This can easily cause them to crash. Go into your settings, check your available storage, and consider deleting some old games or apps you no longer use. Sometimes, the issue isn't even with the Apple TV itself but with your network connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal can make streaming apps, in particular, crash. The app may time out while trying to buffer content, causing it to close unexpectedly. Try restarting your internet router or, if possible, use a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable signal. Finally, it's possible the bug is entirely within the app. Sometimes developers release an update that has an undiscovered flaw. In this case, there is not much you can do on your end except report the issue to the developer and wait for them to release a patch. I hope these tips help you get your Apple TV running smoothly again. Fixing these crashes is usually quite simple once you know what to look for. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider supporting the channel with a like or a subscription. It really helps us create more content just like this for you. See you in the next one.